Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is a market update for Thursday, August 19, 2021. So on Wednesday, after the FOMC meeting, the Fed chairman talked about tapping bond. It means that they potentially they're going to stop buying bond by the end of the year. So after this news come out, the stock market dropped because they thinking that the interest rate will be going up sooner than expected. So the S&P 500 they were down by 1.07%, the worst day it has had in about a month. And the Nasdaq were also down, they're losing about 1.08%. So typically a 1% down day isn't change the trend direction yet. So now let's take a look on the market to see how they are doing. So if you look at the ES, so after they slammed it down yesterday, but they found a support. So they have been doing that for many months here. So as long as they can hold on to this level here, the market still have a chance to move higher. So this time it's important to tomorrow, we need the market to continue to open and go higher about the pivot candle here in order to confirm the trend is still up. But if they drop below the support here, so the market will be in trouble for the short term. Okay, so you will have to be nimble and pay attention to see how the market is doing tomorrow. And if you look at the Nasdaq also pull back down to the support, and then they hold it up here. So the same thing like S&P 500, you need to put it up tomorrow in order to continue to go higher. The Russell 2000 is still choppy sideways in the upper bound and lower bound here. So they need to hold on to this level to bounce back up. Otherwise, if they drop below here, it will be more trouble for a lot of small scalp. So let's see how they lay out. And the Dow, it also hold up at a support here again, but we need them to continue to put it up tomorrow. The crude oil is still going down. As you can see here, they continue to put it back down here. So they have some support here. Let's see if they can hold on to it, or they will slam it down. If they drop below here, the oil will be more trouble also. In terms of gold, it still try to find a way to put it up higher. But before they do that, they need to clear this resistance and the Dow trend line here in order to confirm for the uptrend. Otherwise they still choppy sideways correction here. Okay, the Bitcoin is still sideways, but momentum is still strong to the upside. The same thing like Ethereum, so they back and forward, but the bull is still in control there. If you look at a lot of sectors, like we take a look last week at a lot of sectors like XLB, that the basic material, they come back right to the resistance. They cannot go through it, so they pull back down. They call a lot of stock in the that sector that also put it back down. Some of them are strong one like New Core, right? Active, okay. So they all going down, and the sideways correction there. So you have to pay attention for the one there. So the only one that benefits of the after the Fed announcement, couple of things that you can see that the Treasury bond, they after the news, the bond's supposed to go down, but the bond is still continue to go up. So that's very interesting here. So if they can clear this resistance here, the bond will continue to put it up to the upside. And the UUP, the dollar, US dollar, also strengthen. If they can clear this resistance, the dollar will get stronger, because probably the US will have a strong gas economy after the pandemic here. So watch out for breakout this level. In terms of the technology stock, the financial stock still have trouble at this level. So a lot of financial stock they still pull back down right now. So a couple of them but they try to find a support at the level. Let's see, they'll be able to bounce back. Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, right, and PayPal, Okay, so they right as support. So tomorrow is very important. We need to see that the market be able to put it up again. Um, in terms of technology, a lot of talk still choppy like Apple, Amazon still in trouble for the downside. Google still hold high, a very strong stock though. But the good one is still doing extremely well. That the Microsoft has continued to put it up to the upside. Okay, and technology also have Nvidia after a good earning. They are still choppy, but the momentum is still strong to the upside. But the oil sector, you have to be careful that the XLE, which is energy sector, they are going nowhere. So you have to be careful on this sector to continue to go to the downside. Okay. Other than that, let me see here what else I can have it for you. In terms of the XLV, which is the healthcare and biotech, it's still doing extremely well. So you can see here they pull back one day and they pull right back up. But a lot of big ones, they run up too fast. It's like Pfizer, okay, so they after they hit up to the top, people taking profit. MRNA, okay, also people taking profit. J and J, so you can see that a lot of stock here they go up very fast, and people start taking profit. So you have to be careful on the overall market also. Okay, so far that's all I have for you this week. Let's see tomorrow how the market is closing out, because tomorrow is the another option expiry. So you see the market is kind of choppy this week, and that you can see in last couple of days. So they will clear up by tomorrow, and then we're looking forward for another week and to see what they are doing. I'm going to update for you on the weekend. Okay, so that's all I have for you. So I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Please click the thumb up, like button, or any suggestion. Please let me know on the comment below. Thank you for watching. Be safe and healthy. Good luck in your trading. Take care, everyone.